Verily, 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 I say unto you, he that believeth on me hath everlasting life. John 6:47. Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. 1 Peter 5:7. Casting all your care upon him, he careth for you. 1 Peter 5:7. Those are my scriptures for today. And my thought for today, always know that you can trust in God for whatever we need. That is my thought for today. Because this is the day that the Lord has made, which he makes every day. But I do remember that I have to depend and trust on him. Right. So I thank you all for listening to that. So I'm going to get up and I'm going to saute my vegetables out here a little bit. And then I'm going to be putting my meat in. I guess I'll put the meat in first. I don't have to put very much because you all know this is supposed to be 80% ground meat, but I don't know. I really don't know. That's what they say, but 80% or 90%, but you still end up with a lot of grease anyway. So
yes, you do.
And especially in ground meat, it's not like turkey meat. Turkey meat you don't get, you don't hardly get any grease in it.
Oh, wow. Good job.
Sure what I was going to make today, and I kind of made up my mind on this at the last minute, but I had only about a pound of ground meat that was, this may be a little over a pound, that was already unthawed. I do have some in there that I could have unthawed, but it was time to come on, so I didn't have time to do all that. So I may have a little less ground meat and have more cheese in it than anything else. So I'm putting black pepper, granulated onions, garlic, and also I'm using paprika. Okay. So now, what y'all doing today?
That's 1 pound of ground meat.
Hope everyone's having a pleasant day.
It's so good, Wanda. It's so good.
You guys, I think I'm going to have to put this in another pot. I was trying to hope it would cook over here, but this is going to be too small. And I'm not going to be able to use that one. Okay, y'all.
What you want? Ice? Okay, you want. Hold on, so y'all. Yeah, you can have popsicle.
Okay, I'm going to put this on because it's not going to work over here. So I'm going to put it on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes until it melts out. And then I'm going to put some cheese in it.
Okay.
All right. 15-ounce can of chili with no beans, okay? Any kind of brand chili that you want. You don't have
her channel, and I'm doing the live, so I got 2 cameras. Trying to maneuver 2 cameras because a lot of the people saying that they don't want to look at the long the video and ask could she make a video when she cooking live, so I try to make a video too. Okay. Okay.
cheese is frozen. Oh. Cheese is frozen. Let me see if I can get frozen cheese.
So she using mozzarella cheese, y'all, and she's using
you don't have to put it on if you don't want to.
Cheddar.
Okay. All right. I'm putting the rest on top.
So she used a pound of beef, y'all, and she used 1 can of chili. Any brand. You use any brand, or you can do your own homemade chili.
And they can put as much meat in they want to, but I didn't have that much.
You want some more? Really? Get a bowl to Granny.
You want some more?
Yeah, she wants some more.
I took it all out of the pan. Okay. Now wait, I took it all out.
Last year.
Okay, you guys. It's already, I didn't have, I did have some more mozzarella cheese, but I didn't want to go back out to the freezer to get them. So this is enough that I got in the center.
And you gonna put in the oven for how long?
It's just enough to melt the cheese. It's already done. I just want to get the cheese melted mostly. So I'm putting it at 400. It should melt the cheese in a little bit.
Okay, but I was just asking, you know, somebody gonna want to know the exact. So we're gonna just say she's gonna put in the oven for 20 minutes. On 350 for 20 minutes. We'll be back once it's done. It looks so good. I can't have now though, because it's ground beef. Both of y'all want some before she makes some? Yes. Here, come get you. The baby said no.
Huh?
The baby said she didn't want that.
Okay, well she had 3 or 4 plates.
I know she need about 3 plates, so she said no.
Okay. Okay, this is my final presentation of my chili spaghetti meat casserole. So I'm going to taste it for you. You can see it, what it is. It is, I know it's delicious. I have, you can put, sometimes I have put 3 or 4 different types of cheese in it, but today I only put mozzarella and cheddar. But it's very cheesy, which I always like a lot of cheese, but I didn't have no garlic bread or anything today either. So, and I didn't go to the store to get any. Oh, you guys, it is so good. When I say good, it is another thing, another one of my dishes that is off the chain. Because all of them off the chain, but sometimes some are better than others. And I don't know why, but that's the way when I taste it, and I know a difference in it. It could be the way I cook it, whatever I have in it. But it is so good. And I would suggest that you can make this anytime. And you can freeze it and put it in your freezer for your guests that you have coming later. Because it's something that you can really serve anytime. You don't have to put your cheese on it, anything, till you get ready to serve it. But I thank you so much. And I hope you will appreciate this chili cheese casserole. Chili cheese spaghetti casserole. Made with the mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Because I think you will like it. But it's very good if you serve it with garlic bread. So have a blessed day and a blessed week. And a happy holiday weekend. And God bless. Y'all be safe. From Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Thank you. Goodbye. And I will see you in the next video. God bless.